them love to see your success, or them love to see you become successful, but them don't want to see you become too successful. The same people them that help you to become successful are the same people them will come back and say, no man, you might eat too much now, we take back some of the food. What kind of mentality is that? Ricochet by Alkaline. If you missed the review, click the link in this description for the review. Alright? I done review it already. I not say nothing more upon the review. We come to deal with the people them who are dealing with SouFLoTV a certain way about the review. Alright? Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. Here we come to talk about Alkaline Ricochet. Alkaline sends direct shots at Vybz Kartel. Multiple discs. SouFLoTV just did that video, right? We just did the video last night. See that the video gone 8,000 and change and shooted. Correct? Alright. Now, what I can understand is this. If you like an artist so much, right? That is respectable. Respectful on my part. You can't like who you want to like that. But for you to be so entrapped in an artist that you can't even find one bad song or one critique, a negative critique for get an artist there, then something wrong with that. And these are the people that come on SouFLoTV and come tell me on my channel, say me bias. When I'm taking the time to sit down and actually give you a balanced freaking not interview, but a balanced review, or I'm giving you 100% of my honest opinion without trying to be biased, right? Wanna come on with a biased self, I call me biased. Dog, the kettle calling the pot black. Eh? So we did the video last night, Alkaline Ricochet. We did a complete review of the video. We broke down every sentence throughout the entire friggin' song, except for the sentence then when we talk about big gun and knock on this and that. That him not knock no gun, so we never went into those. We went into all the sentences in the song, in the 3 verses of the song that had anything to do with Kartel, as far as him saying what him have to say to Vybz Kartel, right? The people have gone crazy upon it. 420 comments, and this shit been up in only a few hours. Okay, check this out. Stefan Miller says, SouFLo, just tell the people that this is a Gaza channel. Review and defend Kartel like you're his lawyer. Alkaline is the new king. Listen, y'all chat bumblewall shit. You hear? Stefan Miller, you're talking shit. I don't have time to review. I don't have time to actually answer every single person on SouFLoTV anymore, because as you can see, people, the channel take off, okay? Back in the day one time the channel, and back in the day, we've only been on for a year and change. Back in the day one time the channel, a few months ago when the channel did only have 1,000 subscribers, 500 subscribers, I used to actually sit down all night up answering people and then get up and go work a morning, come back in the evening, get back on SouFLoTV answering people. I still get on here and answer as many people as I can, but you must understand that life is busy and the channel has grown to 22,000 and change subscribers, almost 23,000 subscribers. So it's almost impossible for me to answer every friggin' person now. But may I talk about the hateful people them that come on the channel with your disrespect and trying to tear down my channel. Listen, you can't tear this down, okay? You cannot tear this down, because ignorance will never win over intelligence, no day. Wickedness will never win over righteousness, no day. I just saw the thing set and you can't change that. You heard what I'm saying to you? Okay, so the real subscribers to SouFLoTV know why they subscribe, and they know why they tune in on a regular basis, and that's the reason why you cannot take away this grassroots movement. No, this is money I talk about to tell the people that it's a Gaza channel. This is not no Gaza channel, brother. I've said it before, and people who know me know this. Me say Vybz Kartel are my artist. Me not even too stand with that Gaza thing that I don't really know what it mean, right? Me know Gaza down at the Middle East. Me don't know blood clot Gaza, Jamaica, but yes, them have one Gaza, Jamaica, as far as what Vybz Kartel say, okay, respect to that. And the people them will say Gaza, I say respect to them, because I know so when them say Gaza out of Jamaica, they're representing Vybz Kartel's movement, just like how Beenie Man have, well, not Beenie Man, just like how Mavado have Gully Side and Alkaline have Vendetta and Blows and Skirt, Popcorn have Unruly. I saw them things set and I saw it go. Me say I am a Vybz Kartel fan, because Vybz Kartel is my artist for more than 10 reasons. Okay? So because that is my artist does not mean that this is going to be a Vybz Kartel channel. Okay? Because we don't listen to only Vybz Kartel music. I've said this before. We listen to funk, soul, jazz, rap, rock. We're all over the place with it. Our minds are open. So I don't know what we're going to deal with this idiot thing. The most biased people tell people say them biased. The most insecure people end up calling people insecure. It's like a cheater accuse them partner of cheating all the time because them conscience can't rest free because them out there fuck along the world and then wonder if, boy, I wonder if I that she do to me too, or I wonder if I that him do to me too. Alkaline is very smart with his lyrics. Kartel not gonna answer because of his situation. I've said that. Vybz Kartel is not, and this is Dre B. And you're correct. Him draw out the youth and the youth come out and take the bait and now him gonna answer, now what? Now, there's no war going on. Alkaline run come at the end of the war. Me already reviewed the tune. If you missed the review, click the link in this description for the review of this song. Because of you guys, you can't even get a proper review because you're all over the place. You jump from one channel to the next channel. You take what somebody said from one channel, bring it come on next channel. People are ring up and twist up your mind with fuckery over this channel. Then you run go over that the channel and then ring up and twist up your shit over there so, and you come back over here so. I laugh at most of you guys because most of you are confused. Vybz Kartel might be my #1 artist in dancehall reggae music genre, but Vybz Kartel, I know every song where him put out that me like. And it's not every song that him put out where I'm going to say, yes, that one there, top sheller, banger. No, he got songs that I really don't like. He have songs where me I say, that song that song water down and pitchy patchy away. Me don't know Star, Kartel could have come way better than that. You understand? So, it's that kind of biasness that y'all accuse me of, that you guys are so friggin' biased that you really think that every single song that Alkaline dropped is a banger, is a top shot, is a 10 out of 10. A joke could not make. A joke could not blood clot make. Daniel Friend said, I think it's a reason that Vybz Kartel called him out in this diss track. Wrong corner and last one. I think Vybz Kartel wanted Alkaline to reply that so he could put him in his place with new songs come that might be set up for him at SouFLoTV. And Daniel Friend, you are absolutely correct. I really believe so. I said before in a previous video, Alkaline is a youth, a child in this business compared to Vybz Kartel. Kartel is a giant, right? So when the giant them call out your name, understandably, you can't go around answering everybody that fling this at you. You understand? Because some people are just not relevant, and that's true. Just like on SouFLoTV, some people who come on and make them comment, me either erase them comment or me just leave them alone. As long as them not talk about the sucking matter thing, me leave them alone and move on to somebody else that is more relevant. So me not say the youth should answer everybody. But when a giant like Vybz Kartel call your name out, you better take that opportunity. And if you cannot see how you can actually capitalize off of this opportunity in this genre, then maybe you're in the wrong genre. This is not the opportunity that you want to turn your back on. And rightfully so. Alkaline step out a little bit late. Him should have stepped out when the momentum was up and running, but him step out a little bit late, right? Maybe him didn't want people to say, oh, Alkaline team up with Gully God for take down Kartel and him did need the help because one of them couldn't do it by themselves. I don't know. I see that as a strategic plan that they might have talked about behind the scenes. But out here, what I'm saying is, Alkaline did the right thing by stepping out, make use of the opportunity. No one have to go hard. Are you saying that Kartel might have some this tune lined up specifically for Alkaline and you want to give to him, but he might give him reason, I give him a rope for hang himself basically then? We will see. So the thing gets sweeter, alright? Hey, this is a person that said, this is Shane Salmon. Shane Salmon said this song was not a war song, it was more a mocking song. The boy Alkaline smart. This song is to be used to mock the world boss. This song was like Vybz Kartel Last Man Standing song. It was not a war song, but it served a purpose. Just like, hence, why no names were called, but it was still explicit enough to do the job it was supposed to do. This song I gonna get a lot of play in the streets, maybe even on radio too, cause it clean. Part of the depiction of violence. Kartel fans are both his blessings and his curse. You guys continuously baiting up Alkaline, keep pitting him against anybody you guys think is a threat and starting to make out dancehall fans hate his music. You people act like Kartel own dancehall. Remember, Mavado said already, said the music is big enough for everybody to share, but on the Kartel fans stay hating and attacking other musicians. Me I go stop it right there so with this a long been up blood clot talk here. Shane Salman, check this out. Right? I have never seen a bunch of more hateful fans on SouFLoTV than when I do a review on Alkaline. Even when time me give the man respect. Even when I say big up to the young gunner, big up to the young youth, yo, that tune a shot. This line in the tune I did not like, but the rest of the tune shot. You know what the people them find? This line in the tune did, yo, SouFLoTV go suck out under your mother, my youth. Let's look here. Every line in the tune shot. Every line in the tune. It's like you can't even critique a sentence out of it without them telling you about suck out under your mother and all these other things. So, for you to sit out there and talk about, listen, Vybz Kartel fans, the majority of them are actually a bit more mature. They're a bit more mature. You understand? Y'all talk about people in them 20s and 30s, people in them 40s, even and 50s. Him have all 60, 70-year-old in him thing, right? So, majority of Alkaline fans now, you have some older people that gravitate towards it, but majority of Alkaline fans are friggin' teenagers. And them have this handy nowadays. Everybody have a little cell phone and access to YouTube. So them can go up online and them can say what 15, 16, 17-year-olds say. They can say, go suck out your mother, my youth. Hey boy, your bomber clad this. Hey, that. Nyang, 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 nyang. And that's what kids do. Okay? Especially disrespectful blood clot kids. So don't come out here and act like this is a whole Vybz Kartel fan thing. And furthermore, I on SouFLoTV have said it before, that when the fans do things like that, all they're doing is discrediting the genre of the music. Because see, I don't disrespect people for their comments. I welcome a difference in opinion so we can have a civilized debate. But for some reason, even though I come out to people speaking to them in a civilized manner, they tend to come back in a derogatory manner, which forces me to either A, get derogatory, or B, block and blood clot delete. And that's how the thing go. This ain't no Vybz Kartel fans thing. This is not no Vybz Kartel fans thing. You understand? Bad man, if that play a dance, nobody now bust no blanca. Me can swear upon that. Vendetta fans need to learn the history of dancehall culture and take on the head out of Alkaline ass. Cause it soon reach him head. Pharaoh Almighty, thank you. Someone else said this is a radio friendly song. This is another hit song for Alkaline, and this is going to be playing heavily in the dance and in the streets. This is not going to be on no heavy rotation. This song Ricochet is not going to be on no heavy radio rotation. It might play in the dance at one DJ where your friend round at your ends where you live. But when we talk about music over here, we're talking about the wide world of music. We're talking about where dancehall has reached. We're talking about Germany, Italy, France, Spain. We're talking about England, all over the United Kingdom. You understand? We're talking about Jamaica, little bit. We're talking about the United States of America and all the states in the United States of America. That's what we're talking about. So this not going nowhere like that. So don't hype up on yourself and talk about no radio play and no big hit. The song came strong, man. That's all I have to say about it. Addressing the people and them rude self. One more and I'll cut the video short in closing, alright? Steven Grant Tyrell says SouFLo sound biased on this one. Mr. Gully straight, but Alkaline completely fuck up Kartel on this. Him not kill him, but him style him up in the worst way. Also, Alkaline never run in, so people say him need Vado help. Alright. Now it's a clear Alkaline versus Kartel lyrical war. Brother, for people like you, Steven Grant Tyrell, if you watch that review and you still call me biased, then you are one of the people that I'm talking about. I'm gonna have nothing more to say to you. You understand? You never like Alkaline. You're old. I'm gonna expect you not to be biased. Your eyes them look like that of Froggy. Bitch, Oba Sola Fola, me bomba clot. Oba Sola Fola. Listen, my eyes them looking like that of Froggy have never stopped me from getting fucking girls and from fucking pum pum, so don't mind that. You understand? Me not look for fuck you, and I'm not looking for you to be attracted to me. So this is what I'm talking about when people talk about, oh, your eyes look like Froggy, or your teeth look like this, or your... How does that come out on an Alkaline review where I strictly reviewed the lyrics of the song? Y'all stupid as shit, man. It's SouFLoTV, and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Here what? Confidence over here, so they can overload pussy because none of you can tear this down, and none of you... Oh, one more before I go. The youth that said, stop watch SouFLoTV, or unsubscribe and make him starve. Hear you, on a jealous, bad mind, bumble. That's why I started this off by saying they help you when in the beginning when you don't have nothing because them want to be able to say, yeah man, me did I feed him when him did I starve. But when you take the 1 crumbs of bread and run with it with them gear and them see you later and you have 10 loaf of bread and them don't have none, them will say, no man, we have to go back some of that food there out of mouth because it might eat too much now. People, me not have to tell out my business, but I can tell you this. Financially, I am secured, okay? Me good financially. Me not have to beg nobody nothing. Me good financially. So, all you coming and talking about unsubscribe, the one idiot boy we can talk about, our girl we can talk about unsubscribe and make him starve. You think some man can feed a family of 6 off a blood clot YouTube, eh? Have you not been watching my channel for a while? Don't you know what I actually do for a living without me having to come out and constantly tell? But every now and then, I guess I gotta remind some people. SouFLoTV up on a rot this morning. You know why, people? Because I'm happy, I'm glad. I'm back in Florida, right? Come off of the road now, a year and a half of making money. Come off of the road now, back in Florida, about to take a little 2 months and regroup, right? And back at it again. That means to do road again. That means to get money again. Oh no, a joke, man. It's SouFLoTV, people. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm out of here. Peace.